The iFixScreens Bohemia store is your local one-stop shop for all types of electronic device repair requirements. At our store, you will get same-day repair services for any repair requirements such as iPhone repair, Samsung repair, MacBook repair, SmartWatch repair, Apple Watch repair, laptop repair, tablet repair, and iPad repair in Bohemia, New York. You can also ask for our best-in-class gaming console repairs that include Nintendo Switch repairs, Xbox repairs, and PlayStation repairs. We have a team of technicians who are certified professionals in their respective fields, and they have been providing the best possible repair services to our customers for many years now. You can be assured that your device will be restored to its full glory after it has gone through our expert hands. You can also avail our free diagnostic service for your device so that you do not end up wasting money on unnecessary repairs or replacements when there is nothing wrong with your device at all. Why wait? Come visit us today at iFixScreens Bohemia, where we will make sure that your electronic devices are working like new again. So whether you need a quick fix or a long-term solution, we're here to help. If you're looking for help with your gadgets, please call us at 631-800-6600 or visit our website at ifixscreens.com/locations/bohemia-ny. We look forward to helping you with your gadget repairs.